Hello, my name is Kripal. My register number is UA16CS113. Today we will see how to do queue, C++ program for queue. We will see for linear queue and circular queue. Basically, queue follows the hierarchy of first in and first out. Means whatever you put in first, it will be removed in the first. For that, here I need one enqueue function and one dequeue function and one display function. Here enqueue means always I can add at the rear end, and for dequeuing I will be removing from first, right? So we will be doing it at front. I have two variables which always points front and rear. I'm starting initializing it with -1 and -1. Here I have an array of maximum size 5. We will see the add function first. Add my one argument, integer data type. First, if I want to add, I have to check whether the queue is the array is full or not. To check if the rear value is the maximum is equal to the size, then we can say that it is full. So I'm writing max is equal to max -1 because it follows from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So if rear is equal to rear is equal to 4, then the queue is full. After checking, I can do like I have to increase the rear value, else condition I have to increase the rear value by +1, and the queue of the argument number, either it can be 0, queue of 0, queue of 1, queue of 2, it will be equal to the item. My item is the input I am giving in the inside as argument. And after that, delete function. If I want to delete, I can be delete from the beginning. So first I have to check if the queue is empty. If front value and rear value is equal to -1, then obviously the queue is empty, so I cannot remove anything. I will say queue is empty. Else I will put the value of the respective one, like a queue of 0, queue of 1 in a separate temporary variable called data, and I will delete it. And I will decrease the increase the value of front. To display from I is equal to, using a for loop, I is equal to front to rear, incrementing by +1 each time, I will print q of I. So this is and I'm giving each function in main function. I'm calling these functions in main function using its case, like case 1 is add, case 2 is delete, case 3 is display, and default it is means exit the application. We will run and see this. Enter the option. Now I will try to delete. I did not, since I did not give any input, it has to show that the queue is empty. Now I will try to enter the element divided. Display. The queue has 1 and 2. Delete and display. The first one was deleted, so the queue has now only 2. I will try to fill it up. Says the queue is full, means I can put only 5. So we will see what are all these 5 elements. 2, 1, 2, 3, like this. So this is, we will see circular queue. Circular means like the only disadvantage in the linear queue, when you pull an element at the first place, you cannot refill it. So if you want to refill, I'm doing like circular queue, nothing but if it goes down, and it will again start from the beginning. So for this I'm using a mod function to check. If I want to check if it is empty or not, front is equal to rear +1 into mod by mod of the max value, however it is. If this equals, we can say that it is empty. Or else each time I can increase the value by this. Means if 5 is completed, then it will go to 0, 1, 2, 3, and again after 5 is completed, it will go like that, both in front and rear. So this is also the same as the linear function, but the only change is this one. Now we will see the output. You can imagine like it as if it is in a circular form. The queue is in a circular form. You can imagine like that. First we will see the queue is empty. If I want to add elements, enter the element. I can add only 5. Yes, it says the queue is full. I gave 1, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. 5, 6 cannot be added since it exceeds the size. I will display 1, 1, 2, 3 and 4. I'm trying to delete the first one. Now I have only 1, 2, 3, 4, and I will try to delete again 1. So now I have only 2, 3 and 4. Now I can insert again. In linear queue, I can do this. 2, 3, 4, 1, 5. The whatever I have. So that's it. This is how we do the program. Thank you.